Hi students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Today we will discussing the important bits regarding physics, chemistry and biology, all the important bits regarding our competitive exams. So please kindly subscribe, like and share our channel. Please encourage to us, then we will provide more videos. Okay, today we are discussing about the most important bits. The first bit we will discussing about that one. The metal used in fireworks will give the bright white color. So the metal, the right answer metal is magnesium. Magnesium used when the cracks when your Diwali functions. Then we are using these substances. So they are giving the bright white color. This is due to the magnesium. So the next bit, formic acid is large component of this is the most probably these are these substances are this formic acid is contains in the ants. Artificially we are preparing the formic acid from this ants. It is a systematic name methanoic acid in the simplest carboxylic acids. The chemical formula HCOOH. It is an important in the moderate in the chemical synthesis and occurs mathematically. So most not ability in some ants also. So the next question, the permanent hardness of water is due to calcium and magnesium sulfates and chlorides. The hardness of the water, this is due to the it is the permanent is the most important in the calcium and magnesium sulfates and chlorides also. The next question, greenhouse effect deals with the warming of lower atmosphere. The lower atmosphere, this is the troposphere, the range from earth to 20 kilometers up to 20 to 30 kilometers. So the second stage, the second layer is the terrestrial. This is 31 miles or 50 kilometers. So then 40, after 40 to 50 kilometers up to 80 kilometers the mesosphere. So then after the 120 kilometers up to 120 kilometers thermosphere. So then after 372 kilometers exosphere. These are the earth surface. From the surface to we have to go going up. These are the important areas around the earth when you are going up. So this is the warming of the earth is due to the lower atmosphere, that is the troposphere. Okay. The next question, tea is cool most easy in metallic cups because the metallic cups are have small porous holes, very small porous like spots, which allow to heat to pass in the atmosphere. It means the cup of coffee or tea it becomes a cool. The next question, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. So an alloy of copper and tin is the bronze. So what is meant by alloy? A alloy is a substance, the homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. So it can form different substance. The properties also is different. So when we are mixing the two substances does not possess the substances properties. This is the different property will be occurs. That is the allotropy. The element used in the integrated circuits computer is called silicon. Silicon and germanium is the purest silicon and germanium are the important. These are the in the circuit integrated circuits they are using in the computer. These are the metalloids. Okay. The radioactive element in the second stage reactors will give uranium 233, that is the thorium. Okay. The next question, blood is a colloidal solution. Blood is made up of liquid and solid. The liquid part is called plasma, made up of water, fats and proteins. Over half of your body blood is plasma. The solid part of your blood contains RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC drives oxygen from your lungs to your tissue of organs. Next, calcium is a constant element of calcium carbonates, that is the marble stones. Latin name of silver, argentinium. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. Albert Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for his work on the photoelectric effect. What is meant by photoelectric effect? The photoelectric effect means ejection of electrons from a metal plate when the light falls on it. The next question, which is exhibits insect-like locomotion? The answer is exopod. The next question, the Stone Age people had the first domestic animal is asses. Generally, the goat were probably to the first animals to be demonstrated, following closely by sheep in South Asia. Chicken also were domesticated about 10,000 years. The next question, the Aryans was first settled in Punjab, Sindhu Punjab. In India around 2000 and 1500 BC, Aryans first settled in the regions of Sindhu and Punjab. The inclination of Earth axis to the orbit plane is the 23.5 degrees. The axis of the Earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the perpendicular to the orbital plane. This tilting of the axis is called inclination. That is the angle is 23.5 degrees. What state is the next question? What state is the largest producer of black peppers in India? Kerala and Karnataka. The Karnataka is first, then after Kerala nowadays. What is the main aim of 2017 World AIDS Day? A right to health. People around the world unity to show support for people living with HIV and to remember those are have died from the AIDS. The next question, the Indian economic planning cannot be said to be Indian economical planning cannot be said to be of the vital importance, crucial and moderate action was imperative. Indian National Rail and Transport University set up at the place of Vadodara. The next question. The source of winter rainfalls Tamil Nadu is northeast monsoons. Generally, what happened? Many low pressure system develops in the Bay of Bengal during the period and moves toward the east coast of Tamil Nadu, containing heavy rains in falls. That is the main reason. The low pressure in the Bay of Bengal. The next question. The legal advisor to the state government is the Advocate General. The chairperson of Zonal Council is nominated by the either President. In the absence of President, that Union Minister or Chief Minister of the states can be appointed. The next question. Bronze is a mixture of zinc and tin. BIMSTEC Festival is Buddhist heritage was held in New Delhi. In 8th to 10th December 2017 at the Indira Gandhi National Center of Arts in New Delhi. So these are the members of the full form of BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Interactive for Multi-Sector Technical and Economical Cooperation. So in the Asian countries, these are the Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, brings together 1.5 millions of Buddhist people in that are close together, and they are nominated these countries, and their welfare association is conducted. So it's at around 21% of world. These people are more than 1.5 crore people, around the 21% of in the world. The ISRO has successfully launched Catonist 2 series satellite into space from which launching vehicle. So that is the PSLV C40. In India, Polar Satellite Launching Vehicle in its 40 seconds flight successfully launched the 710 kgs Corsair State 2. The next question. The new chairman of ISRO, the Srihari Somanad, in 13/1/22. The next question. The first person and founder of the ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai in 1962 to 1972. How many years servicing Satish Dha Wan was a chairman of ISRO? Longest term 12 years. Who was the founder of ISRO? He was the founder of ISRO Vikram Sarabhai. Who was appointed as a first woman Secretary General of Lok Sabha? Shenlita Srivastava. Who was been appointed as a new chairman of Managing Director of Indian Airlines? Pardeep Singh. So he was the Pradeep Singh Koirala. Then after he announced, Tata Sons announced Mr. Campbell William Wilson as a CEO and Managing Director. All the bodies moving freely in vacuum with the process of equal acceleration. The motion of any moving object is given by Newton's second law of motion, which gives F is equal to ma. Also, for the freely falling body, the gravity is the any force acting upon it. Therefore, F is equal to g mn by r square, where g is the constant, the F is equal to ma. Freely falling body is that Knots external force is equal, F is equal to mg, which is equal to the weight of the body. So therefore W is equal to m into g. Next one, hectare is a unit of measurement of area. The next question, what is the source of electrical energy in the artificial satellite? So the artificial satellites, they are arranged solar cells. When the satellites will move, so they are getting the solar energy, light, they are converted into the energy, that is the solar cells. The units of momentum is in CGS system gram centimeters per second, in SI system of the momentum is kgs meters per second. This is the most important bit also. Diamond formula MLT inverse. Electricity produced from the falling water is hydroelectricity. The next question, the instrument is used to obtain a magnified view of small objects is that the microscope. The microscope is it is an instrument that can be used to observe small objects, even as cells. The image of an object is magnified through the at least one lens bends toward the eye and makes an object appears larger than the actual size. So according to Newton's first law, the law is of inertia. So the that another name of law of Galileo. Electrical fuse wire is made up of LOS because have low melting point and high resistance. Which acid is present in the vinegar? So that is the acetic acid. Acetic acid. Water for civil supplies is commonly purified by chlorination. When the drinking water, we have to kill some bacteria, maybe present of the bacteria. So when the chlorination takes place, the bacteria can be removed. So we can drinking the water without any harm. The next question, the substance deficiency caused dehydration is water. When you at least a person and man or woman, they must be drinking of water more than 4 to 5 liters water per day in commons. In summer season maybe will be increases. So when the water will be less quantity, if you have to take, that the dehydration will be takes place. It is very dangerous to our health. That is the main cause. Which substance make a natural rubber and bouncy? That is the sulfur. This process is known as a vulcanizing process. When the rubber is made, that time the rubber maybe have the some elastic property and hardness, maybe have the it less of the bouncy and softness also. So in the vulcanizing process, when sulfur is added to it, it becomes a bouncy and very soft. The next question, natural rubber is a polymer of isopropane. The next question. Then the name of philosopher wool is called zinc oxide. So, students, these are the important bits recording our all competitive exams. I hope if you are like, please kindly subscribe, share, and like our channel. If please encourage to us, then we'll provide more videos. The next video, the most important of biology bits. These are the biology bits, the most important bits regarding the all the competitive exams. Then we will release the video as soon as possible. Please kindly encourage to us and share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.